Hello everyone! Today we're unboxing the YGF-F35S 5G handheld data collector and barcode scanner, commonly known as a barcode gun in logistics and warehousing. It delivers industrial-grade performance paired with 5G transmission and full scenario adaptability. Let's cut to the chase and start unboxing. First, let's check the included accessories. An 18W fast charging adapter and a Type-C data cable. Now let's take a look at the device itself. On the sides, you've got the power button, dual scan buttons, one on each side, plus volume up and down keys. Turn it over, and the rear is packed with features. A 13-megapixel rear camera with LED fill light, and a full-function NFC module. Moving on to core specifications. This YGF-F35S 5G handheld terminal runs on the Android 13 operating system, equipped with 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. The system runs extremely smoothly without lag. It is powered by a built-in 5000 mAh high-capacity battery and supports 18W fast charging. With a full charge, it can sustain heavy-duty work for 1 to 2 consecutive days. For network connectivity, it supports high-speed Wi-Fi 6 and 5G all-network access. Wi-Fi 6 delivers faster transmission speeds and wider coverage, enabling stable real-time data transfer and a seamless 5G experience. Now for the highlight, the core capability of this industrial terminal: scanning performance. The device comes with pre-installed scanning software and rich customizable scanning settings. It supports 2 working modes: single scan and continuous scan, and you can also adjust the scan interval. Fitted with our self-developed SE6100 scan engine, it is compatible with all formats of 1D and 2D barcodes. It can quickly and accurately identify not only standard clear barcodes, but also smudged, damaged, and incomplete barcodes that are hard to read. To sum up, the YGF-F35S 5G Smart Data Collector and Barcode Scanner is fully engineered for heavy-duty industrial use, featuring outstanding scanning performance, powerful core configurations, and humanized, detailed design. Its star component is the self-developed professional SE6100 scan engine. It works perfectly for warehousing, logistics, retail inventory, and more. That's all for today's unboxing.